Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new manhwa called I Hope You Are Happy, Chapter 0. So here it is. Let's read the story. So-chang, I have a dream. A dream. I dreamed that before we got back together, you asked me to do a radio drama, and then you did something to me. Seized by the cunning and force. Right now, Su-chang said to her, "Did you get robbed?" The girl said, well, this too. It seems that we really fall in love with each other. I dreamed that we were doing a play. He loved me so much, but he couldn't get me. Oh, it seems that this was really interesting. The second season, you said that I didn't treat you well, you wouldn't record it. And what? And in order to record the drama smoothly, I agreed with all my heart. Oh, this girl, she seems to be funny. Now you bear the humiliations. Seems to be not satisfied. Haha, in dreams, character different. Then you took every step carefully, asking me to move your house and insisted on sharing a bed with me. And I reluctantly agree. Right now, she come closer. Something unspeakable happened. The girl said to Yu Chang. Yu Chang seems to get interested towards her. Now, she really moves closer. Chang, she moved gently, and it's like that she's going to kiss her. So Chang, she kissed her on the forehead. Yusu was enveloped by her scent and suddenly thought of the fast. Oh, it seems that this is really a good story. At that time, she probably wouldn't have thought you will be entangled with a person around you for many years. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by a Ko-Fi. Thank you. Bye.